Diary of a Worm. Mom says there are 3 things I should always remember. Me, March 20th. The earth gives us everything we need. Number 2, we dig tunnels. We take care of the earth. Number 3, never bother Daddy when he's eating the newspaper. March 20th, today I tried to teach Spider how to dig. March 29th, first all his legs got stuck, then he swallowed a bunch of dirt. Tomorrow he's going to teach me to walk upside down. March 29th, worms cannot walk upside down. March 4th, fishing season started today. We all dug deeper. April 10th, it rained all night and the ground got soaked. We spent the entire day on the sidewalk. Hopscotch is a very dangerous game. March 15th, I forgot my lunch today. I got so hungry that I ate my homework. My teacher made me write, I will not eat my homework 10 times. When I finished, I ate that too. March 20th, I snuck up on some kids in the park today. They didn't hear me coming. I wiggled right between them and they screamed. I love when they do that. May 1. Grandpa taught us that good manners are very important. So today, I said good morning to the first ant I saw. There were 600 more of them in line. I stood there all day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. May 8th. Had the worst nightmare last night. Giant birds played hopscotch. Mom said I have to stop eating so much garbage right before I go to bed. May 15th. I got in a fight with Spider today. He told me you need legs to be cool. Then he ran. I couldn't keep up. Maybe he's right. May 16th. Thud. I made Spider laugh so hard he fell out of his tree. Who needs legs? May 6th, 28th. Last night I went to the school dance. You put your head in, you put your head out, you do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself about. That's all we could do. June 5th. Today we made macaroni necklaces in art class. I brought mine home and we ate it for dinner. You were very talented. June 15th. My older sister thinks she's so pretty. I told her no matter how much time she spends looking in the mirror, her face will always look just like her rear end. June 15th, Spider thought that was really funny. June 15th, Mom did not. July 4th, when I grow up, I want to be a Secret Service agent. Spider said I must be very careful because this president might step on me by mistake. It's a dangerous job, I told him, but someone's got to do it. July 28th. 3 things I do not like about being a worm. 1, I cannot chew gum. 2, I cannot have a dog. 3, oh, that homework! July 29th. 3 good things about being a worm. I never have to go to the dentist. 2, I never get in trouble for tracking mud through the house. And 3, I never have to take a bath. Who's my grubby little boy? August 1st. It is not always easy being a worm. We are very small and sometimes people forget we're even here. But, like Mom always says, the earth never forgets we're here. The end. The Diary of a Worm.